everyone, I'm excited to share that I've finally finished my latest piece. Ye shall get a fishie. This artwork began with the simple outlines of several small fish. I coloured the drawing with subtle watercolours that gently filled in the shapes, and then using bold marker pens, I decorated every fish with loads of detailed patterns. Throughout the process, I faced moments when frustration almost made me abandon the piece, but I pushed through those doubts, and in the end, I found myself genuinely pleased with the result. I have to remind myself again and again that it's not about perfection, it's about the journey of creation and the courage to keep growing. After completing the painting, I took a snapshot of the piece and brought it into Photoshop. I experimented by desaturating the image, opening the door to use it in my upcoming colouring book project. This transition from one medium to another, from analogue to digital, is a reminder that art is ever evolving, a constant adventure of trials, experiments, and unexpected delights.